The 10 most dangerous jobs in the world. Underwater welder. Underwater welders face a series of dangers on the job every day, including the risk of shock, explosion, decompression sickness, and even wear on their dental fillings. About 30 welders die out of 200 welders on the job annually. Crab fishermen. 128 Alaskan crab fishermen died in 2007 alone, which is 26 times more dangerous than the average job. 80% of fatalities are due to hypothermia or being thrown overboard and drowning. Crab fishermen also suffer from serious injuries due to heavy machinery and gear. Loggers. The logging industry has some of the highest work-related fatalities in the country, with loggers being 30 times more likely to die on the job than most other career fields. The majority of logging-related deaths comes from equipment errors or trees falling on workers. Microchip manufacturers. Computer chips are created with numerous hazardous chemicals, including arsenic. And while manufacturing chips may not be immediately fatal, there are long-term effects to health, such as high rates of miscarriages, birth defects, cancer, and respiratory illnesses. Bush pilots. Bush pilots have more risks in their career for less pay than average commercial pilots. With a rate of 13.59 accidents per 100,000 flight hours, the general aviation accident rate for pilots in Alaska is 2 times higher than pilots in the rest of the U.S. Bull riders. Bull riding has surged in popularity since the 1990s, with promises of big money for an 8-second ride. But bull riders can suffer at least one significant injury per every 15 events they partake in, including concussions, broken bones, and fractures, which may not be worth the potential cash payout. Steelworkers. Although safety harnesses have been implemented, steelworkers still risk a fall from great heights. The job also includes risk of serious injury from steel beams or walls collapsing on workers. In 2005, steelworkers still had a fatality rate of 56 deaths per 100,000 workers. Oil riggers. Most offshore oil riggers work 16-hour shifts, often with very little sleep. Fires and oil rig explosions top the list for job-related dangers, with a rate of 27.1 deaths per 100,000 offshore workers annually.